Hey everybody, this is Jonathan, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to become a vendor on ordermeasurements.com. So first things first, you're going to want to head over to our website, ordermeasurements.com. Once you're on this home page here, you're going to want to head over to vendor registration. There's 7 things here you can read over and then click sign up today. So this page is just some basic information. It's going to ask for your first name, your last name, email. You can create your username, then also a password, what's your company name, address, all the basic stuff. Then down here, these two guys right here are the most important on this sign up sheet. So this is your current active appraisal license and your E&O insurance. Make sure that those are up to date and active. And you can just choose a file from your computer. It's really simple. Down here, you're going to choose your state and your city coverage areas. And then down here are your rates. So you create your own rates. That just lets the customer know what exactly you're charging when they go to choose your services. Down here's the master service agreement. You can scroll through that, and once you've read that and agreed to it, hit this little box right here and then click submit. I already have a test vendor account, so I'm going to head on over and log into that. And as soon as you submit this page, you will get a little notification that says thanks for registering to become a vendor on ordermeasurements.com. You'll also get an email, and that means that your application has already been sent over to the professionals over at ordermeasurements.com to look over your application, make sure that your license are up to date and good to go. And as soon as you are approved, you'll get another email that says congratulations, welcome to ordermeasurements.com as a vendor, and it'll give you a link to sign in. Once you sign in, which I will do right now, once you sign in, it will take you to your orders page. Now, I've done a lot of test orders here, so that's what all these are, but until you get an order, there's not much you can do on this page. So when you get an order, you'll get an email that says, so-and-so has ordered a measurement from your vendor services, and I've already done that just to walk you through that. So it looks just like this. New order gives you the order details, the street address gives you the full street address down here. And this is a nice feature. It will give you the customer name, and then also sometimes there's a different contact name that you'll need to get in touch with to do the measurement. So contact name, John Smith, and then customer name is Jonathan, that's my name. So phone number, is it vacant, occupied, is there a lockbox? It gives you all the information you need. Then you can go out, do the measurement, come right back, and as soon as you do the measurement, you can hop on over to view right here. This is the order. So here it is. This is the same order. As soon as you do that measurement, you just come down here to upload your file. You choose a file from your computer. It's really straightforward, and you just click upload. And so let's just do a test upload here. And it takes a few seconds to go through. Once you hit upload, then the customer gets an email that says your file is ready to be downloaded and paid for. As soon as the customer pays for it, then they will get the file, and it's that easy. It's very simple. So PDF successfully uploaded. You can click complete order right there, or just scroll down to the bottom of the page, complete order. That is what lets the customer know that they can go ahead and go on and pay for it. Super simple, and that is all you need to know to become a vendor on ordermeasurements.com. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for choosing ordermeasurements.com. Have a great day.